Hey there, everyone. Today I kind of wanted to go through and show you some cheap diamond paintings I got from Amazon. Now, I actually got these on Prime Day, which was what, like a couple months ago? So some of them were discounted, but I often go to Amazon for like cheap diamond paintings because they're smaller. Diamond Art Club and all that sometimes have smaller kits, but the price of them, I'm just like, oof. So I'll usually go to Amazon for like cheap small kits that I can belt out in between those large, daunting Diamond Art Club projects. So I wanted to kind of show you what I got. Now, all of these were really cheap. Now, this is like a not awesome canvas like Diamond Art Club, but all of these are poured glue, so that's always a bonus. All right, there we go. So this is actually a really pretty moon. I'm really excited to play around with this one. I'll leave links to each one of these cheaper kits in the description below. So it looks like this one came with actually quite a bit of goodies. We have a multi-placer, 2 tools, wax, little foam thing, and then our diamonds, drills, diamonds, potato. Oh my goodness, so loud. Sorry. Okay. The colors. Ooh. All right, so let's see. Looks like their symbols are going to be letters and numbers. And this is a very saturated canvas, but I can read everything just fine. This would be such a fun and easy one to belt out too. But look at these colors. Now, I don't believe any of these cheap kits come with ABs, but sometimes I've been surprised. So we have like all these blues and purples. Got dark purples and blues. Just one black. It does not look like they're using the DMC code on the bag, but they are using the DMC code on this. So just FYI, it looks like on the bag, 09. I've ordered this brand before. I'm trying to remember it. Yeah, so what you would do with this brand is, come on camera. There's a bunch of numbers and then the dash. And the number after the dash correlates with here. So, but still, pretty colors. Lots of blues, pinks, sage. But, I mean, look at this. Isn't this going to be pretty? I think this is going to be pretty. Now, the glue on these is usually not very... Yeah, it's pretty, not very sticky. So I typically seal these cheaper diamond kits from Amazon. You don't have to, but I've been sealing them just because, yeah, they pop off. I mean, you could accidentally flick it off. So here is another one I got. See, this is a 30 by 40 moon. Okay, so this one's packaged kind of wacky. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, on the other one, they didn't provide me with stickers. So, Diamond Art Club gives you stickers. This one's kind of interesting how they just like taped it in there. Here, it's together. Let's see, so I got tweezers, a baggie, 2 placers. What's with these companies and 2 placers? And they've got some weird coding too. Let's see. They do have the DMC code. That's good because then you can always get replacements. But I'm just trying to see number 12, 7. So I think this is like the other company as well, where you use the dash number. So what I'm going to do with this one, because they did give me this, is I'm actually just going to cut this out and run it through a sticker maker I have and place them on my bottles. But let's look at the canvas. I don't like that they folded it though. It's gonna have a crinkle. So here is this one. Let's see, this one is kind of gonna be a little crazy on the confetti. Look at that. I kind of figured this one would be a little easier going. Let's see how oh wow. This is super strong glue. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, so the glue on this one is way better, but it's still like the cheap canvas material. But the glue, holy shamoly. I'm kind of curious how this is going to turn out, the way it's rendered. But I guess we'll see, because this is the image here. It's interesting. So, oh my, look at all those 310s. The only thing I'm already seeing is when it's against my desk, yep, number 5, all those 310s. And some places the printing is hard to read it. And they've got the same thing, a combination of numbers and letters. Let's see. Oops. And then, interesting, so we got some browns in this one. All right, I'm not going to show all the diamonds for each one because then we'll be here all day. Well, this one I'm super excited about, so that's going to be last. Okay, here's another one that I am going to have to cut out because it's got some bubble wrapping. Like I said, these were just cheap ones. Oh, that's right. I remember this one. So I got this one to do, originally I was going to let my daughter do it because she was wanting to do, whatchamacallit, Diamond Art Club stuff. And I said, no, those are too expensive. And this one, oh, I'm going to have to iron this. It's got some mad wrinkles in there. So this is, look at that, isn't that pretty? Like this watercolor effect horse. And hello for multi-placing. Look at the K, 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 K. Yeah, all those Ks. We do have like major confetti zone down here though, but this is pretty much a predominantly white background. Now this one did not come with stickers either. It doesn't look like, is it white? Actually, I don't think it is. Just pop these out. No, it is. Let's see. So they don't have the DMC code for this brand. I mean, is it a deal breaker? I paid like not even 10 bucks for this. No. They use a combination of numbers, letters, and some symbols. Again, no stickers, but I can get around that. But number 19 is K, yeah. Not as many white. Oh, I see. Okay, so most of the white is up here, but then once you get down here, it switches to another color. So that's why. But the color assortment is actually really pretty. So this actually might turn out really well. Here's our 310. I'll always know what black is. So, yeah. And then we get just standard placer, some baggies, and a little thing of, I'm like swimming in wax. Okay. Oh, and in case, let's see what the glue on this one's like. Oh, very not sticky. So that'll be another one I'll probably end up sealing. Okay, I was excited for this one because it's fall. I love fall. I'm probably going to do this. Oop, hang on a sec. It looks like, let me see if I can pull this out because it looks like the plastic wrapping kind of mixed with the plastic covering. So let me see if I can fix that real fast. Because last thing I need is pound of husky fur stuck on there. Okay, there we go. Phew. Okay. Ooh. Look at that. Fancy. I hate when they fold them. Okay. So this one is super cute. Come on. Can you see what it is? I'm going to start this in September. For sure. It's like these watercolor pumpkins. I don't know if you can tell from the image, but it's going to be really cute. and I just loved the design. I hope it turns out as good as it looked, but it looks like it was rendered pretty well, actually. So we'll see. And ooh, look at that. You would think that it was clumped. I mean, we got some W and Q's, but then we got, I hate it when you have just those itty bitties mixed in there. But it looks like we do have a lot of color blocking and really not too bad on the confetti. So this will be a fun, like, quick and easy one to belt out, I would say. No stickers with any of these, but I mean, honestly, guys, when you're paying so little, what do you expect, right? Wow, they're really into labeling all these things together, aren't they? So we got our little placer. It looks like we have a 4-placer and possibly a 7 in there. And baggies. And no wax? Oh, there's the wax. Not that I need it. I'm like swimming in wax. Okay. So our bags, though, are numbered by the corresponding, let's see, number. Interesting. I want to pull one of these out if I can. How is this bag sealed in here? Oh my goodness gracious. Okay. Woo. Okay, so they're all in these little baggies already. If you work out of bags, though, hey, it's done for you, and they're labeled. Oh. So I guess you can't really ding them for no stickers because they technically pre-sorted and labeled them for you, but I like to put them in the little jars. Okay, so 24 is W, and that's definitely going to be all this like color blocking up top, but not down here. Oh, but these are just such fall colors. I mean, look at that. Wow. Oh my goodness. I want to start it now. September's like what, next week? I can wait. But those are pretty. Very pretty. They don't have the DMC code on this. I think I said that already though. Sorry, it's hard when you're opening a whole bunch of these and then you're like, did I say that? I don't know. And you guys know I love to edit. Let's check the stickiness of this one. It's pretty not sticky, so I'll probably seal that one too when it's done. This one I thought would be super cute though. Not only because it'll get me into the fall mood. In case you didn't know, Pumpkin Spice Latte comes out August 30th. So maybe I'll start this August 30th. I'll get me my Pumpkin Spice Latte. PSL for those of us that know it that way. Sit down and start this one. Oh, wouldn't that be a great way to kick it off? But yeah, I was thinking I would like frame this and put it up as part of my fall decor at my house. Because yes, I do decorate my house for fall. Change out all my flowers. And what's funny is I hate the color orange. And yet I embrace it in fall. I don't know. But I did love that this had like the blue big pumpkin. And then it was like, you know, a little more on the reddish orange, but I loved the blue pumpkin. I just thought that was so freaking cute. So yeah, that is my cheap Amazon diamond art, you know, haul. Now, one thing I do want to note about kits on Amazon, I'm going to link to all of these below. Now, some companies are not legally licensing the artwork, especially a lot of these cheap ones made from China. So I cannot say for certain because they don't say whether or not on their website, you know, these have been legally licensed. So just keep that in mind. That's something I always like to put out there, especially when you're getting the cheap ones. Like I saw some that I know for a fact were not legally licensed because they were Diamond Art Club ones sold cheaper. Not the Diamond Art Club ones sold by Diamond Art Club on Amazon, because they do have those, but they were cheaper companies that were selling knockoffs of ones that Diamond Art Club has. So, and I was like, I know Diamond Art Club has those legally licensed, but I'm pretty sure this company selling it for $9.99 does not. So always keep that in mind with these. But yeah, that is my cheap little haul. Very excited for the pumpkin one. This watercolor horse, I will either do, or my daughter, if she does decide to do it. I'm actually really excited also for this moon, this glowing moon one. It looks like it would be a lot of fun, and I really like the colors. So I'm super excited to try that one. Yeah, but I buy these as just kind of things to do in between bigger canvases, or sometimes just because I want one that I can like belt out in a weekend and feel accomplished, because those large canvases from Diamond Art Club, especially the squares, take me a while, and sometimes you're just like, oh, I need a break. So yeah, but let me know if you purchased any of these on Amazon Prime Day, or if you've purchased them, you know, for something else, and what you thought about them, or if you would like to see any of them done. I'm always open to those for suggestions, and until next time, everyone, take care. Bye now.